Hello guys, it's a pure automatic trading bot built for trading in Nifty options and Bank Nifty options. So what it does actually, it actually automatically connects to your broker and fetches the historical data. You can see over here, all this market data it is to automatically fetch the historical data, and it is to analyze the signals, historical data automatically to generate signals. So it has inbuilt all the strategies. We have some very advanced strategies like here scalping strategies. You can see over here. You can modify the strategies or you can build your own. There are some like you can use the ChatGPT to build some strategy. We will guide you, we will guide you how to use ChatGPT to modify the strategies or build your own strategy. Because ChatGPT is very advanced, and if you copy paste just the strategies like this one, I'll go to the source file of this strategy, and so if you open the ChatGPT and if you just copy paste this file over here in the ChatGPT, and I'll simply ask, explain me this Python strategy and how can I integrate my own strategy. So it will guide you, everything. So this strategy is a hybrid pullback scalping engine for option trading. Let's see, this works for both call side and put side. So the core idea, it will explain you everything. So how can you modify these strategies? So it will guide you everything. If you needed any kind of help, we will help you. So for first time, you should go with the simple strategies like RSI, super trend, or EMA. After that, go for the advanced strategies. That's the best way to build any trading bot. First implement some simple strategies, then go for the advanced one. So these are basically the very advanced strategies, inbuilt strategies. So if you just want to start the bot, you have to just press over here on the terminal, and it is a PyCharm. It is completely free. Python main.py. If you press this one, it will automatically start your bot. That's the best thing. And you have to provide all the API keys. You don't have to do anything on this code. You can provide your API keys over here, and then you can connect directly over here. So if you connect here, you can see it fetches. It is connected successfully. So you can see over here, this is Nifty Banknifty have connected successfully. So market is closed right now. That's why it is not moving. After that, after successful connection, just start the bot, and whichever strategies is you have activated over here, whichever strategies you have activated over here, like HFT scalping, normal trading, and it will place that according to that, and you can switch off the strategies or you can add your own strategies over here. So if you are interested building your own trading bot, or if you want to implement your own strategies, please contact us. The charges for this source code is for beginners who don't have any experience on the Python. We will guide you basic of the Python. Here you include the basics of the Python, how to learn Python. You don't need to learn advanced things because ChatGPT will help you a lot of things, like over here. GPT. You just need the basic idea of the how Python actually works, and only for the algo only. And slowly you will, after experience, you will have enough knowledge of the Python how it works actually. So this is for the intermediate one who have some knowledge about the Python but don't know how the strategies actually works, how to integrate in the algo. And this for the advanced ones who only want the source code. They don't need that kind of guidance with the Python or with the strategies. They with the basic just with the basic integration of the, who just needs with the basic help, like integrating the project with Python, PyCharm, and some kind of basic basic guidance. Who have advanced knowledge of Python, advanced means who have sufficient knowledge of Python and the trading algos, they can purchase this 5,000, and this is for intermediate 6,500, and this is nearly 8,000. So if you are interested, you can contact us for the source code. We'll provide you the source code and you can build your own trading algos with your own strategies.